Okay, group.
Oh, there we go.
Say hello. Yes, I am. So we're about to start our food tour. This is the wonderful group of people that we're with. We just met our tour guide and we are going on a food tour right now, so it should be fun. Our first stop is breakfast and we're going to have yogurts, fresh Greek yogurt.
Yogurt shops produces their own home-made yogurt. During the 60s we had 1,600 yogurt shops, but not anymore. Here's the last one. The same family runs the place since 1931, and every day they produce their own yogurt. So this is what we're going to have for breakfast. Yogurt with honey and nuts. The place you think is been here since 1931. The same family runs the place. Have a seat. This is my co-host, George. Actually, he's my husband, but he's co-hosting.
His co-host, yes.
Please, have a seat. Now this is the traditional Greek yogurt. Seeds and gold milk, and this is why we're always adding honey, because it's a sour yogurt.
Rolling. Okay, this is Italo. He's taking his sip of his real Greek coffee.
It's delicious.
Is it?
Yes, it's really good.
It's strong, right?
Yeah. A little bit like Turkish coffee, but we're not supposed to say that.
Yeah. So this is my first attempt at
And I like it with the little bit of
Greek coffee. Apparently it's not pressed, like the grounds are in the bottom, so she said always ask for a little sugar. Oh! Yeah. Probably not my cup of tea, but it's actually, it tastes good. It's just kind of shocking at the beginning. It's intense. Yeah.
The
very
texture
intense.
is, you have to get
It'll
used to.
put hair on your chest.
It's foaming.
Okay, yeah. Probably not for me. Heading into the Athens market. We have already started and had some really good Greek yogurt and Greek coffee. Not so much of a fan, but you have to try everything while you're here. And this guy doesn't like olives, and she just told us that we are going to be tasting many varieties of olives. So we'll see how that goes.
Or Delphi, as you call it, the Oracle.
The Oracle.
And, not far from Delphi, it's a small town called Amphissa, and these are the olives that they have. Small, dark brown olives.
Sorry.
You see the texture, and the taste is different. It's a little bit sweeter than the other one.
On camera.
This is the Delphi.
Yes.
Good stuff.
I will give you later to try one with oregano and one with fennel.
It has lemon.
Over there, Mount
There's
Athos,
nothing
the
bad
community,
about
the monastery community of Mount Athos. Over there, many monasteries, the Garden of Virgin Mary, women are not allowed in getting there. So the monks, they are not just restoring their books, their treasures, but they are also farming. So they get these meaty dehydrated olives. You should get one like that. For sure, you should get one.
Oh, I
Yes,
did?
yes, you have to. You have to, because these olives are being blessed by the monks.
Oh.
So, from the moment that you have your olive, you can do whatever you want in Greece. You are blessed. I can say, for the naughty ones, you should have two. So if you feel
Who's
naughty,
the naughty one here?
you should get blessed. Not you.
Peter.
Too much blessing.
Peter's the naughty one. Come have another olive, Peter.
Okay, so we are entering Meat Street on our food tour. This is where you'll get cheese, salamis, all kinds of good meat treats. And from what I've learned from our guide is that a lot of Greeks only have meat maybe once a month. So it's a lot more seafood and legumes and things like that. So I guess there is a market for meat though. So we're from Texas, so you know. Meat Street is a good thing.
We are going to taste it in 5 minutes. George is at the table, not far from here, and we're going to have that tasting with wine and cheese.
Oh, goody, goody.
Wine and cheese and meat. Would you look at that?
Amazing. Mira, when you're here, check it out.
Now that is what I call a meat chop.
Of course, we start with feta cheese, the most popular Greek cheese, served with olive oil and some oregano. Aleko, graviera e caseri. Aleko, graviera e caseri. Caseri. Caseri, a really popular cheese to Greek people. It's a melting cheese. Here we have pastourma. That red chopping board over there that we saw hanging, a salami with mustard seeds, and here a ham with sweet bell peppers, but the meat is buffalo. The other ones are beef,
Bufala.
but this one is buffalo, water buffalo.
Prosciutto di bufala.
Okay, so I will let you try, and then I will tell you what we are tasting right now.
Look at that.
So this is our sujukaki, and not only, we are waiting for some more.
Wow, Julia, that's beautiful. The colors. Oh my
Wait
gosh.
to taste it.
I
You will
can't
see
wait.
it's so tasty. This is what we have with George when we are in the center. I don't mean hosting people, when we are by ourselves, and we want to grab something.
I thought you did that.
Yes. Yaman.
Just handsome, no naughty.
All handsome, no naughty. Wow.
Don't worry, I'm next. Don't worry.
Okay.
Come to mama.
Baby's ready.
Okay, and now for the Euro Trotter, I have to prepare it.
Uh-oh.
Mark, would you like mustard to your
Everything. Eurotrotter eats everything and then some.
Delicious.
And Paula, we tried holding this on. That's just.
Okay, there you are. Oh,
Uh-oh. Don't lose the sausage. Ever.
When you're with Mark, that won't
there
happen.
you are.
Oh.
Good stuff.
You gotta do it. Athens, Julia's tour, lifetime experience.
There you are.
There you
Get it. Okay, ladies, it's all yours. If you want me, I can be the grandmother for you too.
I want
Not too
you
much.
to be
want
my
to?
grandmother.
Okay, I
Yes.
have to. What about you? Shall I prepare for?
I can do my own.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, Paula.
I would like Julia to be my grandmother.
Would you like everything?
Yes, please.
I thought it was just, I don't know.
Like get them coming.
I like that
Come around
mustard.
here, wait.
The
Mustard's
mustard
delicious.
is delicious. It's incredible.
bread.
Yeah,
I'm gonna try with the mustard because I must try everything.
Oh, the mustard's incredible.
It's
You like to be
really
fed?
nice.
Yes.
spice.
Okay,
Yes.
you have to do it for,
Okay,
for the
okay.
YouTube.
I will.
I mean, it's so smooth.
Okay.
Excuse myself from my grandmother, and I will feed the lady.
I'm helpless, so.
Anyone else? wants
Thank
their
you,
bite?
Julia, for being my
You
grandmother.
want to be fed by Julia?
Oh my God,
So good, right?
it's so good. Don't get run over. It's so good. Oh, the mustard is delicious.
Mustard is incredible.
I'm asking them to give me the recipe and they refuse. They give me a small cake every time. Do this, do that. It wasn't successful. Okay, reverse it. Don't add it. I will catch you now. So we have the liver, we have the pasta, we have the tongue, we have the brains over there and the kidneys. And what have we got here? Anyone know what is the heart?
Is that the heart?
No, the heart is this one.
It's the testicle.
Piasto che dici tu?
Testicles.
Oh yeah, squeeze it, baby.
Balls? Are those balls?
Those turf balls.
Balls of fire?
Oh my God.
Wow, two of
So I have to say I'm a little jealous.
Not because of the size.
Not by much, but just a little. Oh, wow.
Fresh anchovies. And we've got sardines. Over there, the big ones.
Octopus, squid, calamari. So fresh. So fresh.
Cheers. All the best to you. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
I
Okay.
thought I would have heard more clinking
Let
glasses.
me tell you what we've got here. We've got the yellow split peas, the fava. What we call in Greece fava. So they boil the fava. They use the hand stick blender to make it as a puree. When I make it in my house, I prefer it a little bit more creamier. Here they prefer it a little bit crunchy. So what I need to do now, I need to add lots of lemon.
Oh, yes.
Okay,
Lemon
we're
juice
down
is
here.
key.
And I have to mix it. And I will do the same to the other one. Olive oil, chopped onion, some parsley, lots of lemon juice. There is a carrot and an onion mixed into the puree fava. See? Always fresh but grilled bread, and we get our bread and we spread our fava on the grilled bread. So I have it.
So you have cooking show.
Okay, so we have fava beans and tomatoes and olives with lemon juice on it, on freshly baked bread and
That's
beer.
We use that. In summertime,
Got a little bit on me, but it's good.
sta frigata poi, mi ha dato questa poi. Okay. Let me tell you what we have here. Okay, this is all about the anchovy.
Yes.
The whole one, like that.
Wow. Oh my gosh, the whole thing.
I made a mistake.
Lemon.
Lemon. Now, fresh anchovies fried with just a bit of flour. Fresh calamaris fried. Zucchini fritters here with zucchini, carrot, onion, mint, parsley.
Okay, so this beautiful plate is lightly fried calamari, lightly fried sardines, chickpeas with bell peppers and tomatoes, and fava beans, really, really large fava beans, and zucchini croquettes. And you soak it with a bit of lemon, and it's all super, super delicious.
Small bites of food, different kind of food, lots of alcohol, and this is what we will have during the day. Some people, older people, that they work around here, they might get here around 11 o'clock and they will get a small dish with a piece of calamari, a piece of anchovy, a piece of cheese, some tomato, or some chickpeas or some beans, and they will have their beer, mostly they will have ouzo or raki, and this is what will be the snack for the day.
And I'm gonna do it like Lady Cats.
Ready? Go.